welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing yet another gift guide, and this is under $25. I have over 25 ideas under $25, so we are going to cruise through this. If you're looking for some more gift ideas, definitely check out my gift idea playlist, which I will have linked in the cards as well as in the description box and at the end of this video, as well as all of my Pinterest boards, which I will have linked down below. If you go ahead and follow me over on Instagram, I have been doing daily deals every single day where I'm sharing tons of different gifts that are on a budget and on really great sales. So check that out too. Let's go ahead and dive in. So first, I wanted to start in the candle category because I have quite a few options. I wanted to start with this nice, very luxurious looking set. I actually bought this for somebody in my life this year, and I feel like they're going to love it. The scents are amazing, and the packaging is absolutely beautiful. Looks a lot more expensive than $25, and it comes very nicely packaged, so it's all good to go. Then we have a more Christmassy candle. This is from a company called Wax and Wit, which I absolutely love. They have some funny candles. They have some very aesthetically pleasing ones. These smell so good, and they're made with really high quality ingredients. I cannot say enough good things about them. They are a small business and they are on Amazon, so definitely a great company to check out. Then I wanted to share a more funny candle, and this is so good. They come in a lot of different options. I absolutely love this Fruity Pebbles cereal and the pasta. I think these are so funny. I would make such a good, unique gift for someone in your life. They aren't scented like what you think they are. I don't believe they're scented at all. I just think they're really, really funny and would make a really great gift for somebody who loves cereal or maybe loves some mac and cheese like me. If you want to get someone in your life a candle that is not a real candle, I highly recommend these battery operated ones. I love these. I actually have some on this shelf right behind me, and I think they are so amazing. They look very real, but I don't have to worry about if they stay on too long, if I forget to blow them out. They're just looking very beautiful, very aesthetically pleasing for the set amount of time, and they do turn on at the same time every day, so the ambiance is always there. Next, I wanted to share this very customizable gift. This is something that I got for a few of my friends this year, and I think it's so cute. It's this little Lego set. It's not real Lego, it's an off-brand Lego, but you can customize a picture on it. So I put a picture of some of our friends who recently got engaged. I think this is just such a good gift for anybody in your life who really loves Lego, and it's very customizable, so you can really make sure that it's a picture that the person that you're giving it to really loves. Another customizable gift is this pet pillow. I've shared this before in my men's gift guide earlier this year, and I love this thing. Every time that people come over and see the one that I have of my dog Monkey, they get a kick out of it. I think it's so cute and would make such a good gift for anybody in your life who's really obsessed with their pet. Next, I wanted to share a few very practical gifts. The first is this car windshield umbrella. I have had tons of different car windshield covers in the past, and this one is my absolute favorite. I actually have one that was custom made for my car by the dealership that I got it for, and I still reach for this one because of the size. It's very compact and works so well. It's so much easier to set up. All you do is pop it open like a regular umbrella, and it fits every single car that I've ever tried it in. Highly, highly recommend this, and I feel like it's a very great gift for anyone in your life. Next, this is kind of funny, and it's this electric bug zapper. I think this is so much fun, and honestly, my boyfriend and I have a really good time with it, so it would be a really funny and very practical gift. It's just a bug zapper, but it's in the shape of a tennis racket, which I feel like makes it a little bit more fun. I think this is just so funny and very practical. Next, if you have anybody that travels a lot in your life, you might have already seen this. It's gone crazy viral, and it is this travel cup holder set. I actually got one of these for a few people in my life this year, and I think they are going to love them. All you do is slide it onto the back of your suitcase, and it can hold 2 cups as well as your phone, your chargers, kind of whatever you need. It's super easy to condense and put back into your carry-on when you're getting on your flight. Another travel gift is this hanging toiletry bag. I love this thing. I use it every single time that I travel anywhere, and I've actually gifted it to a few people as well, and they love it. It's super practical and really great for anybody who travels. I love how much it can hold and how securely it holds everything. I love this thing. This is something that I have shared already. I think I shared it in my Prime Day video, and it is this dupe for the Lululemon belt bag. I have one of these and I use it, I kid you not, every single day. It's completely replaced all of my purses for me. I love this thing. I feel like it is super high quality and it holds a surprisingly large amount of stuff in a way that is so easy to carry and keeps me hands-free while I'm running my errands. Comes in a ton of different color options, and I will leave a Sherpa one down below too, because I think that one's super cute. Another bag that I wanted to share is a purse that I loved so much before getting my crossbody one, and I still use for more formal occasions, and it is this crossbody bag. Comes in a few colors. I have it in the white and woven, and it looks so nice. It carries so much stuff and it feels so high quality. I can't speak highly enough. Another thing that is kind of trendy is this set of glass cups with lids. I have these and I love them. It seemed kind of dumb when I first bought them, but I'm really glad that I have them and I use them all the time. Not only are they super aesthetically pleasing, but I feel like they're a really practical gift for anyone who makes a lot of iced coffee, green tea, matcha lattes. That's what I make in mine. I love these and I feel like anyone who gets them would be really happy to receive them. Also in the kitchen is this pizza cutter. I have shared this in my men's gift guide as well. I think this is so funny and I love it. It's super cute and I feel like it makes me laugh every time that I use it, but it also is a really great pizza cutter. I think it's so fun and the brand has so many different fun kitchen gadgets. Highly recommend checking them out. Another kind of funny gift for anybody in your life who loves to cook is this Geeky Chef cookbook. This is so fun for anyone who loves Doctor Who, Star Trek, Star Wars, anything that leans a little bit more on the geeky side. They have tons of recipes from some of your favorite franchises, and it's all condensed into one cookbook. The recipes look really good, and they also look really easy, so I feel like this is a really good gift for someone in your life who's maybe just learning to cook or wanting to expand their recipe repertoire. Another gift that I think would be great for anyone in your life who loves to cook, or maybe somebody who's really into gardening, is this herb preserver. This thing is so aesthetically pleasing and has been so well proven to preserve your herbs super nicely. I think this is a really, really fun gift and it's definitely more unique, but I feel like would get some really good use if given to the right person. If you do have someone in your life that loves to garden or maybe is just really big into houseplants, I highly recommend this money tree. I saw this on But First Coffee's channel and I love this idea as a gift. I'm actually going to be giving it to my dad for Christmas this year. I think this is fantastic. Symbolism of a money tree really represents prosperity and wealth and good fortune. So I feel like it's a really nice gift to give to somebody. I think especially if you have someone on your list that maybe just bought a house or just moved, I think this would be a really meaningful but beautiful gift to give. Another great gift for the gardener in your life is this bonsai starter kit. I love that this comes with absolutely everything that you need to create and maintain your bonsai tree. Comes in super cute packaging and is a very reasonable price. Next, I wanted to share a game. I have so many great game gift ideas, but I wanted to just highlight one, and it is this Stir the Pot game. I feel like this is a very funny game to play, and I think it'd be a really good gift for friends or maybe family, depending on how close you can get with them. I think this is just a funny gift and it's a really fun game to play. Like I said, I do have this and I had so much fun when I played it last time. I think you will too. Another gift that I think is super fun is the set of record coasters. I love the holder that it comes in and I love that the coasters themselves are individual records. I just think this is so cute for anyone who loves music. I absolutely love these. For the people on your list that are big drinkers, I wanted to share two gifts that I think would make a fantastic gift for them. The first is a set of mixology dice. I think this is so fun for someone in your life who's looking for, you know, more of a way to expand their horizons when it comes to cocktail making. You can roll the dice and then create a cocktail and see what kind of crazy concoction you create. I think this is just so much fun. Another one that is a little bit more practical is this set of beer ice coolers. All you do is just take off the cap and stick it into the bottle, and it helps to keep your beer cool. You can use this for anything that comes in a glass bottle. I think it would work for wine just as well. I think this is a great gift. For the person on your list who is super organized, I highly recommend this weekly desk calendar. It is a whiteboard, so it's super eco-friendly and really, really easy to kind of see your week at a glance. It's a really great size and is super aesthetically pleasing, so I know anyone that you give it to would absolutely love it. The last thing that I wanted to share is something that I just think is absolutely beautiful, and it is this breathing Buddha light. This is so stunning, and I feel like it would be a really good gift for anyone in your life who really likes to meditate or maybe should get into meditation. It helps to kind of keep you in tune with the breathing of the lamp and kind of calm yourself down. It would be a really great gift for anyone in your life who could use that relaxation. It's super beautiful and changes colors, and I just think it is absolutely stunning. Wow, that was a lot. I really hope that you found something that you love. If you did, definitely let me know what you're picking up. And if you didn't, check out those Pinterest boards, that playlist, and my Instagram for even more ideas. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I really appreciate you being here, and I would love for you to stick around and subscribe. If you do, I will see you in my next one. And in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.